Debating between getting the Ditto mug to be cute or buying the Bulldog to torture. I would not eat that shit. I am not gonna lie to you, Chief. I am not eating that shit. Fuck me, bro. Solo to dive character. Why do they keep coming after me? Okay, I soloed him because he's been soloing me all game. I want to go Namor, on God. Good night, gamers. Bye. Happy good night.
I tried to get the cart.
Put onks on more. I guarantee you I'm putting them down as soon as the cooldown's over. Actually, I don't guarantee it. I think Benjo likes the anti-heal, guys.
Dude, it actually hurts. It's so
I think
annoying.
that's the point. At least Spider-Man's going after someone else now.
I'm the only one character in the game with
You have mag bubbling fucking Spider-Man now? I can't even hit him with the fucking projectiles either. Not actually doing it, you degen? Okay, I'm totally not getting lipo. I want it.
I don't like this video game.
Me either. Oh my god, Ultron is one. I don't know why I was so nervous in class today, but I bit my nail so much that it hurts. Dude, I do that all the time, bro. I don't know what it is. Jitterbug, Audrey, Nuna. Okay. Audrey, Nuna. What is this fucking profile picture or album cover? Hi family, what up? Good morning. Blade's anti-heal and Emma being in the game. I don't want to play tank anymore. You love playing tank. I got the manta skin. You're welcome. No skibbity in chat. No, it's a banned word for a reason. Get that shit out of here. Okay. My brain is on life support right now, so yeah, that's how I feel right now. Petition to remove Blade from the game. Okay, I say yes. I vote yes. I vote absolutely positively. I'm about to go healer. I'm about to play Loki. No, I'm not. Fuck no, I'm not. I lied. I don't want to play healers anymore. Maybe I just play my lords. Maybe I need to play Invis again. I remember how to play her.
Heroes could make all the difference.
Disappear.
I tear through the cloudless night, just like the moon.
Just like the moon.
You never look. Oh, I forget, dude. I got like nothing. Oh. Ow. Okay, you're welcome. How'd they manage to make Blade as annoying as he is after delaying him for 7 months? Was it really 7 months? Voltage, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I love playing tank. Then Emma showed up. But Emma's hot though, at least.
Stay strong.
I hate this and I love this at the same time. I have a quesadilla. Why did you say it like that? Bro, I bought like frozen quesadilla thingy and it was like a hot pocket type thing, like you put it in the crisper sleeve, but it was literally a tortilla with a brick of chicken something in it. So I don't know if I want that anymore. So back on my PC. Hi, Quibson. If they remove his anti though, there's no reason to run him over any other brawler. Yeah. Yeah, true. Okay, I lied. This song is annoying. Oh, there's a Moon Knight. A Goon Knight. Okay, slept in the Moon Knight. I've had the same thing before. It was pretty good, actually. Is it? Fine! Go work out! Go go work out. 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 Anything attractive about Emma is immediately gone because of what she does. I hate Emma. But like the thighs. I love Chadwick. Okay. What about me? Got a case of
I love
Dilla's.
Jeff.
Why?
Yes,
I
kill
put
them.
queso on top of a tortilla. And okay, no, bye. Not reading that. Nope. Vey, I love you, but no.
Needed that, thanks.
Fuck you, Moon Knight. God damn it. He's won! Never mind, he's not anymore. My brain hurt. I love you the most. That's right. My brain hurts too. I don't want to do this shit no more, twin. Okay. Your pain makes me happy. No. Not even in a good way or anything, huh? We're back in plat. Let's go, look! We're playing Good Night and putting my unks right where they belong. Oh. Am I unk coded?